Welcome to the road of thunder, where iron rails stretch out yonder, across the plains of destiny, where dreams are carried far and free. From prairie grass to mountain sky, the engines sing their lullaby.
America is the land so wide, where golden wheat and rivers glide, where wagon trails and dusty roads became the rails our future rode.
We laid the track through wind and sun, each spike a promise, one by one. Across the plains our hammers rang, while prairie larks above us sang. Ride the iron road together, through the sun and stormy weather, from the Missouri rolling free to the mountains by the sea. Hear the locomotive cry, calling dreams beneath the sky.
Through granite walls and snowy height, we carved the tunnels day and night. The Sierra peaks stood cold and high, but still our rails climbed to the sky.
Across the plains where bison roam, where thunder once had made its home, the iron horse now crossed the land. It smoked like clouds across the sand. Across the prairies wires were singing messages through copper streams, while locomotives thundered onward, carrying hope and carrying dreams. The desert winds, the canyon rivers, the forest tall and amber plains, all were joined by iron pathways, by the singing of the trains.
Upward through the mountain passes, snow and thunder in the night, boilers roaring, pistons pounding, guiding lanterns burning bright.
At last the western sea was waiting, where gulls and salt winds drifted free. The iron road across a nation, from prairie grass to western sea. Ride the iron road forever, through the valleys, through the weather, from the plains to mountains high, where the eagle meets the sky. Hear the locomotive cry, calling dreams that never die. America, the rails are ringing, across the plains our engines sing. America, the iron road is bringing 1,000 dreams on wheels of steel.
From the plains to the Pacific tide, the iron horse has been our guide. And though the miles have passed us by, its whistle echoes in the sky. America.